how to fix Premiere Pro's playback lag issue. Now, if you're trying to edit a 4K video in Premiere Pro, try to turn that video into proxies. There are tons of video in YouTube which teaches you how to turn a video into proxy. Now, the reason why your PC is lagging is because it's unable to process that large video file. If it is a normal iPhone or like a phone footage or HD footage, it should process it. If not, turn it into a proxy video and your PC will easily play it. The next thing you can do is just click on edit over here and click on preferences. From here, just click on media cache, click on delete and click on OK. It's going to clear all the cache stored by Premiere on your PC. If you have edited a lot of videos, there's going to be a lot of cache that is going to cause that lag. So by deleting this, your problem should be fixed. Just like this, once it's over, you should try to use your Premiere again. It should work. If it still doesn't work, just go on memory and make sure this option called RAM reserved for other application. Make sure you have set it in the lowest as possible. So right now my Premiere Pro can use 21 GB RAM and 3 GB is going to be like, put in backup for other applications. So make sure this is on the lowest as possible. You can go on Playback, and on Playback over here, just make sure you have the similar setting as I have. Click on OK. Your problem should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, try to upgrade your PC as well. Sometimes using low requirement like low graphics card, low processor is also going to cause the lag. So you need to have a high definition hardware as well to edit the latest video and heavy edits. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.